Children, let me ask you something. You all know that why we are not coming to our school. Yes? Why?
Yes.
Why, children? Why? Huh? Because of Corona or COVID-19. We have a pandemic condition right now, isn't it? We have a pandemic condition. Why? Because it is spreading very widely. Vividly, it is spreading out, isn't it? We cannot go out for purchase. We cannot go for a park or having a tour or something. You are not able to see your friends. Are you sad because of all that?
Yes.
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 Yes. So children, every day the patients who are in this corona is, isn't it? Do you know the numbers per day? Do you used to watch the TV for news? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Today, how much is the number of people, number of patients of corona? Anybody knows? How many people is suffering from corona today? They used to give the updates in news. Have you ever seen that? Like 5,000, this much numbers, like that and all. Have you seen?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
5,000.
Yes. Yesterday's is was almost 5,000 and round about it, isn't it?
And Monday become 11,000.
And you wanted to make it into 11,000?
5,930.
So children, you all know that nowadays it is spreading very fastly. Yes?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. What we should do to be prevented from that, to be protected from that? We don't want coronavirus, isn't it? Do we need that virus to be in us?
No. Stay in the house.
Huh? Stay at home. Yes, stay at home. Don't roam around. Then, what all you should do? If your parents are going out, what they used to come and do to protect it?
Wear mask.
They used to wear mask. Then sanitizers. Yes, while you're going out, you have to take a sanitizer with you wherever you touches. Before that and after that, you have to use the sanitizer and clean your hands. After coming home, what you should do?
We want that bath.
You have to take bath, wash your clothes, isn't it? Before touching anything, after coming home, you have to wash your hands, you have to take bath. Yes?
Yes.
And what else?
Yes.
What else is something else we have to do to protect it? What is there?
Wear mask.
Have to eat and drink.
Healthy food.
We have to take in protein and vitamin foods a lot. We have to drink lot of water, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes or no, children? Yes.
Yes.
Have you seen your parents doing all this?
Yes.
Yes. Children, I know you people are not going out nowadays. Are you going out?
No.
No. But your parents have to go, isn't it? Why? Because they have to work. Then only they can earn their money to live, isn't it?
Yes.
They are going out. Yes. While they are going out and coming back, what are they doing? Have you ever watched them doing?
No.
You have not seen what they are doing. They will
Yes.
simply come inside and have fun with you.
They will bath. They will bath.
They will take bath. Yes. Then,
We don't touch.
sorry?
They will go to the market.
Sorry? What is it?
They will go to the market.
They will go and take bath. Okay. Then, do they used to wash their masks also?
Cleaning the clothes.
Yes.
Washing the clothes. Washing the clothes.
So everyone from your home, while they are going out, they used to wear mask. Yes, you used to notice that. Huh?
Yes.
If you see somebody without a mask or a sanitizer, what you should do? You should tell them that it is dangerous. Don't go out without a mask and a sanitizer. And one more thing is there, you should not go in a group, isn't it? Wherever a group of people are standing, don't make groups of people anywhere.
To make distance.
Yes, yes. Isn't it? All these things has to be taken care. Let us see what all preventive measures we should take. Let us see in a small bit of a video. Let us see. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes. One second. Okay, okay. I can see the messages. After that, I will show you. We will talk about it also. Okay. Let us see what we have to do for. Let us see that. 1 second, children.
Okay.
Wait a minute. Can you see right now the board?
Yes.
Yes.
I can. The board.
See, you look at this picture, isn't it? You can see the coronavirus. Yes? The germs are tiny dots. Germs are tiny dots that are so small. We can't see them.
We cannot see.
Yes, we cannot see. Some germs can make us sick for a little while. See the germs over here? Yes, wherever you have to touch, there all the germs can be. Yes?
Yes. Yes.
Now look. See? One new kind of germ is called coronavirus or COVID-19. Most people only get a little bit sick with a fever and cough with coronavirus. Then they get better. And you can see, isn't it, the tiredness, cough, fever. Now look here, what all you should do.
Wash the hands.
Myself healthy, what you should do. I will wash my hands. People may ask me to wash my hands more than usual. Isn't it? You have to wash, you have to wet, wash, soap and all. You have to use hand wash. Yes, you have to use hand wash while you are washing. Even simply also you have to use hand wash. Check it out.
Hand wash.
Yes. See now. I will wash my hands after I cough. Do you used to have a cough and sneezing at times?
Yes.
Yes, I cough or sneeze after I blow my nose, after I use the bathroom, and before I eat. You have to wash.
Wash.
If I can't wash my hands, sorry children, 1 second. If I can't wash my hands, what you should do? I will use hand gel. What do you mean by hand gel? That is meant by hand sanitizer. Sanitizer or gel instead of washing.
Hand wash.
Look here. Germs live in the coughs and sneezes. I will cover my mouth with my elbow, and when I cough or sneeze, I will use a tissue.
Tissue paper.
If I need to pick or blow my nose, then I will throw it away. You should not reuse that tissue, isn't it?
Yes.
Then you have to wash your hand. Then you have to wash your
hands.
Yes. See? What is it? I will try not to touch people outside my family.
As much as usual.
Yes, I can wave instead. While you're telling hi and bye. Yes, you cannot hug. You cannot hug or give handshakes. Yes. My school may close to keep
My school
Everyone?
was close to keep everyone
Close to
healthy.
keep
Baby.
While I
Oh,
am
do my schoolwork or other activities.
my school will
Then my school will reopen.
reopen.
Next is like other places like I like to go
I like to go when school is closed.
are also closed.
Also be everyone keeps everyone healthy. May also be close to keep
Yes,
museum.
I can play outside or go for a walk in my neighborhood.
Play outside or go for a walk in my neighborhood. I can fun at the home. When
Yes.
safe, I will go back to
If I am sick with coronavirus, my family will take care of me. I I'll get better. And when in my family gets sick, see a doctor. Yes.
I will get better if someone gets
Children, it is okay if I feel scared, sad, or angry. I will talk to a grown-up about my feelings. They will help me feel better. See this?
better.
There are many.
There are many jokes who one I am safe. I have many people. I am safe. I have many people who love me. I take care of me.
Understood, children?
What is coronavirus? Coronavirus.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now that is it, isn't it? We all know that we have to be taken care properly to prevent coronavirus. Don't go roundabout and have fun with others. We have to stay at home to be safe. So will you do that, children?
Yes. Yes.
Now, yes. Now, children, let us see our today's portion.
Okay.
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 Now, in the last class, we completed our exams. Today, we are going to start with a new lesson. Okay, we are going to start with a new lesson. Children, in the we are going to the next part 2. The next chapter is not there for you. We are just cancelling it. Why? Because that syllabus is not for your side. It is for the upper sections. Okay. So we are just cancelling 5.2 chapter and we are going to next part. There is no need of going and taking the next part. Sarah and all come and sit here. No problem. I am just explaining for today. In the next class, I will tell you what to bring. Okay?
I bring it.
No problem, children. I am just giving you a hint of that chapter. Those who have it, good, well and good. So, children, the next chapter, the name of next chapter is Unity in the... One second. What is it? United we stand. United we
Stand.
So look here, children. What is the chapter's name? Can you see the board?
United we stand.
Yes.
Until we stand.
You can see the board. Look here, children. What is the chapter's name? Lesson 7. United.
United we stand. We stand.
Yes.
We stand.
Don't write this. I am writing for your sake. Okay. What is the name of the chapter? United we.
United we stand.
Now, children, tell tell me, what do you mean by united? Can you understand the meaning of united?
No.
Can anyone guess the meaning of united? Huh? Can anyone tell me the meaning of united? You can guess what it is. You can guess. United means? United means? Look here, united means together. What is it?
Together.
Together. United means together we stand. We stand together. Here the teachers used to tell you, isn't it? Stand together, children, stand together. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Together we stand. Why we say like that? Children, why do we say like that?
We want to line up.
Children, in India, there are lots of different cultures. Okay, there are lots of different cultures. What do you mean by culture? Who can tell me what do you mean by culture? Do someone know about culture?
Like Hindu.
Can you guess?
Christians.
Yes, culture is the things which we follow. Culture are those things which we follow. There are many things in culture. Look here, children. We can follow in culture. We follow a special habits. Then food,
Clothing.
religion,
Together.
festivals,
Language.
huh? Dress,
And is there language in it?
what? Okay, these are all things we follow in a culture.
Language.
Yes, language. Yes, language.
Clothing.
Clothing, yes, dresses. Okay, these are things. What?
Washing.
So many things comes under habit. Something comes under religion. Okay, so what all are the things for a culture we follow? Different cultures includes what all things? Habits. Then
Habits.
clothes. Okay, or dresses. Clothes or dresses. Okay.
Language.
Language. Festivals. Yes. Also even religion. Okay. These are all things we follow in culture. Culture means all these things. Following all these things. So special things for habits, clothes, food, language, festivals, religion. All these things make a culture. Make your culture. Yes. 1 second. Children, 1 second. Okay. So now listen to me carefully. We have, first of all, we can learn about languages. Okay. From this culture, first we learn about languages. There are so many languages in our world. Yes?
Yes.
In that, most of the languages are spoken here in our country. India is having the most number of languages. The most number of languages. Okay. What do we speak in Kerala? Which language do we speak? Okay, Malayalam, isn't it? We speak Malayalam. What do we speak? Which is our national language? Like our president, prime minister, and all. What do they speak? Hindi. So that is called as our national language. Now, beyond this, we all speak commonly one language. All in the whole world, we speak commonly one language. What is it?
English.
English. Yes, very good. English. Isn't it? In all this world, we speak English as a common language. Yes?
Yes.
So look here, children. In these languages, which is our language? Malayalam. We can say it as our state language, state or local language or mother tongue. What is it? Mother tongue. What is it? Which language is that? Malayalam. What is it? Malayalam. It's Malayalam. Okay. So, and which is the national language?
Hindi.
National
Language.
language.
Language is the Hindi.
National languages? Hindi. Now, extra language which we all spoke, that is called as international language.
English.
International
English.
language. Yes. What is it? English. Yes.
English.
So these three languages you all know. Yes. Malayalam you are learning in the school. Hindi you are learning in the school. English you all know so frequent, isn't it?
Yes.
Children, can I ask you something? From among you, is there somebody who knows other than these three languages, some other language? Some other language? Yes, are there? Arabic you know?
Yes, I was in Dubai.
Ah, so you learning it. Okay. Can you speak a sentence or a word from Arabic? And you have to tell me the meaning. I don't know the Arabic conditions and all, so please tell me the meaning also.
Can I see how are you in Arabic?
Yes, very good. Continue.
Kaifa haluki?
What?
Kaifa haluki?
Go slow, word by word, dear.
Kaifa haluki?
That means, how are you?
Yes.
Children, learn something from him also, okay? A new language. Yes, Arthur, when you come to school, teach me also. What is Arabic? How will you speak in Arabic? Okay. Arthur, do you know my name is Arthur? Can you say that?
It's me, Arthur. It's me, Arthur.
Is me.
Arthur. Yes.
Arthur. Oh, children, so you can also say, is me? Like Ashika, is me Sanya. Is me Anya. Yeah, beautiful. So,
Bye.
yes. So, anybody else with another language rather than Arabic, English, is there, Hindi, is there, Malayalam, is there anyone else with other languages? Like Tamil?
I know the lion's word.
Jyoti Lakshmi, what you said?
I know the lion's Arabic.
You know Arabic?
Lion's word.
Lion's World?
Lion's Arabic word. I know.
Ah, okay. A lion's Arabic word for lion. Yes?
Yes.
Tell me, dear, tell me.
Aslan.
Is it true, Arthur? Aha, Arthur is thinking very, very bad. Okay. Good, Jyoti Lakshmi. Somebody else? With some other language? Yes, Meenakshi.
Kannada.
You know Kannada.
So the lesson told it is Asad.
What was that, Arthur?
Lion. Asad.
Oh.
In Arabic.
Great. Meenakshi, what was it? You can speak Kannada.
No.
You cannot speak. I'm asking which language you can speak. Okay. So these are the you know, that's what I know. I know you people know Hindi. Yeah, the teachers are teaching you very beautifully, isn't it? So let us see which are languages you know. I mean, not to talk, but wait. I will write. You tell me, and I will write here which all languages you know. Okay?
Malayalam.
Wait.
English.
Wait,
English.
children. Children, I am not asking the international languages, the language from our country. Okay, only the languages from our country, India. Tell me, I will start from here.
आसामी बंगाली बोडो डोगरी गुजराती हिंदी कन्नड़
Don't look and read. Close your books. Close your books. I don't want the book knowledge.
आसामी
One minute. Let me write my language first. Malayalam. Malayalam.
कन्नड़ तमिल
No, I will go for my national language now. Hindi.
तेलुगु
Okay. Tamil. Oh, slow children, I have to write. Kannada. Telugu, I wrote. I am not a Saudi Arabian or some other this one. No, I am an Indian. Here there is no Arabic. Instead we have Urdu.
उर्दू
Ha,
What's meaning of Urdu?
that is another language, dear. Now, Kannada is your, Telugu is your, Tamil is your. Then have you heard of this language? Marathi.
yes मराठी I know
Yes.
गुजराती language
Coming.
आसामी
Who's telling Chinese?
आसामी
China is in India. Then why you people are telling me Chinese? English. Is English our language? No, that is from England. English is from England.
Australia
So that is also not our language. Spanish. That is from Spain. You know all the international languages, not all languages from our land. Very bad. I'm so sad.
I know it.
Hindi. I wrote Hindi.
Sindhi Sindhi
Hindi I wrote.
Punjab.
Bengali. Nice. Punjabi. Ah. Then continue. Huh? Okay. So children, okay, I know that you have more ideas than me about the languages. Chinese and all are coming to India. Okay. Now listen here, children. We have 22 official languages. Okay. In India, we have 22 official languages. That means the languages which are known properly in India and been accepted by our government. 22 languages are being accepted by our government. But do you know how many languages are there in India altogether? Give me a guess.
80.
No, we have 1,600 languages. Yes. How much languages do we have? 1,600. Almost. Children, that is a vague. It's not actual, but it can be more than 1,600. But for the time being, we know that it is 1,600 languages. How many? Yes, but in that 22 languages are called as official languages.
80 languages. Official language.
Understood? So how many official languages we have? 22. But all together, how many languages do we have? So much. 1,600. Listen. There was a video which I should have shown now, but as our coronavirus was there in the beginning, I'll show that in the next class. But children, in your workbook, in your textbook, part 2 textbook, page number, one second. Yeah, page number 36. Page number 36, they have given all the 22 languages, the official languages of India. Okay? Official languages of India. Read it for the next class. And when you come for the next class, we can discuss how many and which all languages are there. Okay? Understood? Yes. So children, let us see what are the things. Mute. Everybody mute, okay? Now, children, we learned today about unity or united we stand. Unity or united means together. What is it? Together. And we have different cultures in our land. We have different and lots of cultures in our land. In these cultures, one criteria of the culture was language. One is language. And we have lots of languages. In that, 22 languages, we are considering it as official languages. And total, how many languages do we have?
1,600.
1,600. Yes.
1,600.
So this much you understood?
Yes.
Then, okay, from that, which is our national language?
Hindi.
Yes, Hindi. And which is our mother tongue or the local language in Kerala? The language of Kerala. Malayalam. Okay. Outside from all these languages of our country, we speak commonly English. Yes, out of India also, while you are going out of India, what do you want? You need English. Yes, that is why we are telling you to speak in English. Speak in English. Children, why you are not speaking in English in school, isn't it? All the teachers are behind you for speaking in English. Understood? Yes? Yes. And children, there is a video about the culture of our land. So that we will see in the next class. Okay? So let us join up.
Yes.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Children.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.